So hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing well and I am as always amazing. So today we are going to unfold another pizza advertisement. I have already done one of my pizza advertisement design. So today we are going to unfold the second one, which is little concept. I have used a little concept in that. So make sure to watch video till end. There is a lot to learn. And if you are new to the channel, please make sure to hit a subscribe. And if you like the video, make sure to hit a like also. So yeah, let's now move to my screen. So guys, we are here at my screen now, and in this one I used a concept of laptop, or the concept was to order online and to show that I just have a pizza box and a pizza in it and a laptop screen in which the website of Pizza Hut. So yeah, let's just hide all the layers and start disclosing this thing. So yeah, so I started with yellow background, as yellow and red are very common in food industry. And give it a red stuff, I used a little paintbrush tool. Okay. uh, yeah, brush tool. I used a brush tool and just remove the hardness, and you can just simply have it like this and increase the size, and then you can decrease the opacity. I used with red color, but now I am showing with the black one. So you can just create gradient in this way, and just I delete this layer. Then I added this box. Okay, and it is masked. Okay, I will disable the layer mask. So this was a pizza box. I downloaded its image on internet and just delete layer mask. Okay, enable layer mask. I deleted it by mistake. Yeah, enabled. And I just masked above area. Then I was having a laptop screen. I cropped this laptop screen, and I just took a screenshot of Pizza Hut's website and I cropped it that upon this thing, and just I have merged the layers. So this is a single layer here. So you can basically have a laptop screen here. I cropped it from here and just I took a screenshot of my screen of a Pizza Hut website and then I placed it here. So this is very simple, not very much work needed. And then okay, then I have added this two pizzas and applied a Gaussian blur. You can apply Gaussian blur by going to filter, blur, and Gaussian blur, and you can accordingly adjust the blur. Okay, so you can do it in this way. I've added two pizza slices, and okay, this is a shadow part. I have given it a shadow. I've already explained in one of my video how you can create a shadow. So this stuff is to just to give the shadow. And then I have a pizza. So pizza was in this manner, so I just cropped this part of the image and just paste it here. So uh, I cropped the front portion and pasted it here. Then I just typed Pizza Hut logo here, and I have merged the two layers. So these were two layers, but I have the Pizza Hut, this stuff I downloaded this PNG from internet. So I just add it here, and then the Pizza Hut logo here. Then I just give it a slide just to write something at bottom. I just have uh, made a rectangle. Simply use rectangle tool and you will be able to figure it out. And just I write 20% off on online orders. So the concept was to make online orders. Behind the online orders, I want to make it like look like a laptop. So I just have a pizza box and a laptop screen. So it is looking great concept wise. And then just I made a rectangle. You can also use rounded rectangle tool to make this one. And the order now, I have typed order now. So yeah, this is very simple, but main part was I did some research behind it, and then I got some ideas. So why should I try this? So I thought I should try this one, and yeah, it works good. So that's it in today's video. Hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you have enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit a like, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe also. And you can also follow me on different social media platforms below down there, or links in the description. So yeah, that's it for today's video. See you guys in the next video. Till then, keep practicing. Bye guys.